Hi, I'm Athena. I'm a solopreneur, an Asian American woman, and someone who's built digital businesses from the ground up quietly. I've worked as a developer, a UX designer, and an e-commerce owner. Some of my projects failed, others brought me freedom I didn't think was possible. But through every stage, one thing never changed. I've always worked best alone or with a small team that feels like family. I don't thrive in big corporations. I don't dream of managing 20 people. I dream of clarity, flexibility, and a system that works, even when I take a break. I'm a bit camera shy, so I let AI help me make this video using my real photo and voice, because I believe you can still show up powerfully without having to be on camera all the time. That's why I created AI Techly. AI Techly is not just a brand, it's a space where solopreneurs, small teams, introverts, and especially independent women can learn how to leverage AI and smart tools to work more efficiently, grow faster, and create real financial freedom. If you've ever felt like you don't fit the loud, hustle-heavy startup world, this space is for you. Follow me to start building your solo AI system without burnout. Automate smart, work solo, live free.